Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to change shadow quality on Warhammer Speed Freaks game. Shadow quality controls the resolution and complexity of shadows in the game, so to change this setting, firstly you should press on E button or just choose gear icon on the top part of your screen near the stats. Click on it, then choose settings, afterwards scroll down in graphics and find here shadow quality. Wait a while. Oh, it's here. And you can choose between epic, low, medium, high and high. So that's it. So choose preferred level and click space button and then just click escape to go back to the lobby. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye, see you.